Welcome back to the EJ Ward FuelView training series. In this video, we're going to be going over how to manually add a fuel transfer. So to start out, we need to drop down the fuel management folder, and then from there we need to click on transfers. From here you're going to see transfers that were already done. We're going to go ahead and add a record ourselves. And for this one, we don't have too much information that we have to put in. We have the date and time, we have the source tank where the fuel is coming from, and then we have the destination tank where the fuel is going to, and then we have the quantity and how much was transferred between the two tanks. So the first one, we have the date and time. We'll say this one was done yesterday at 5 p.m. Click on OK, and then we'll go ahead and do the source tank as our Manhattanville tank here. And then our destination tank is going to be the one in the test department. As you can see, it's only showing the unleaded tanks in the system. So we are looking at what type of fuel the source tank is, and then it's going to filter out the destination tanks you can send it to. So we'll put our test department tank there, and then we're going to put in the quantity, which was 100 gallons. After that, we'll go ahead and click on Save. And then once it's saved successfully, it is going to do some checks to make sure you aren't overfilling the tank or taking too much from, which will cause a negative value in the tank. So it will tell you that if that does happen. Once we hit OK, you can go ahead and close out of this, and then you'll see it up here in the time frame that we have. So our source tank is in Manhattanville, our destination site is the test department, and then we have all the information for that one. We can also click on the time itself, and we can see that information whenever we want to look at it and see everything just through this page. And that concludes the video on how to add a manual fuel transfer in the FuelView system. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.